2017 saw a record high in investment deals backed by venture capital, hitting $182 billion globally. Of this, Greater China accounted for 1/3 of total deal value. In fact, China is home to 3 of 5 of the world's highest valued startups. They are ride-sharing company Didi, food review and delivery firm Meituan Dianping, as well as smartphone manufacturer Xiaomi. Guan Taiye from Qiming Venture Partners expects this momentum of deals backed by venture capital to continue in the future.
I'm putting a lot of emphasis into AI and big data. I think that is the fundamental technology that's driving the productivity of every space. So I am putting money in AI into the medical space. I'm also putting money in the autonomous driving. I'm also putting money in in the growth of AI to sort of in the software space that fills all the other industries.
While Guan Tai agrees that valuations do seem bubbly, he is of the view that as long as you're in the right business with the right technology, there is space for valuations to go higher. But why and how has AI and machine learning emerged as the top investing agenda for VCs?
The reason why is because China is the most competitive market in the world. It's much more competitive to grow a company here in China than in the US because there's almost unlimited money here. Money is a weapon. So if you're bringing machine learning, you can do personalization. When you provide a personalized product, people like you more. If you're not using AI to give that better experience, you can't survive here.
But having too much money in the market may not be a good thing, William says. That's because it isn't just the good companies that are getting funded. The subpar ones do as well. And this results in talent shortage. Jason Zhao at KPCB China is more upbeat though. His view is that with more capital in the market is a victory for the entire technology ecosystem and consumers, as they now have more choices. That said, there are risks.
We're getting to a high point in terms of Chinese capital markets, Chinese startups, right? How do we sustain that momentum for the next 5 or 10 years, right? Because as China grows and as the rest of the world learns, right, competition will become more fierce. And I'd like to see Chinese companies take a bigger role as a leader, not just one of the players in the global marketplace.
As it is, experts say China's e-commerce and mobile payments industries are giving the United States a run for its money. But how far ahead or behind still is China from achieving its technology and innovation ambitions? The competition with Silicon Valley continues. Lynn, CGTN, Beijing.